In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off captures on Roblox. Launch the Roblox player. First, make sure that you have logged into your account. To disable the capture option, you need to be in a game, otherwise you can't turn it off. So scroll down and open a game. Wait a few seconds to join the game server. Here, you can see that the capture and record button is on the right side of the display. You may hit these buttons by mistake while playing a game, and it may affect your gameplay by freezing the display or causing it to lag. Some of the games may lock your cursor as a crosshair.
To unlock it, click on the Escape button on your keyboard.
This should open a pop-up and unlock your cursor. In the top left corner, click on the 3 vertical lines.
In the drop-down menu, click on Capture.
This should turn off the capture and record buttons. This method works in the mobile version of Roblox also. But in Windows, you can take some extra precautions. Let's close the app now. Right-click on your empty display. In the pop-up, click on Display Settings. In the left side menu, go to the Gaming tab. In the Gaming tab, click on Captures. In the Captures menu, make sure that this option is turned off. Following these steps, you can turn off captures on Roblox.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.